Hello students, welcome to our geography class. In last video we complete the lesson number 9, map scale. In that videos we completed some points. 9.1, a painter taking an estimate of scene. Figure 9.2, students looking at a map. Then some points we completed in that videos. Now let us start our last lesson, lesson number 10, field trip. Lesson number 10, field trip. In geography, students, here field trip is an important study method. In geography subject, field trip is an important study method. Field trip helps in understanding various geographical concepts, elements and processes through direct experiences. It helps in understanding the correlation between humans and environment. Now let us start our lesson number 10, field trip. Field trip is an important method of geography. Through field trips, one can get a first-hand experience of geographical factors and processes. Geographical concepts can be understood. Geographical field trips are useful for understanding the relationship between man and environment. It is essential to plan the field trips according to the topics, place, duration of the visit. Here important part of geography is a field trip. In this way, student, field trips helps the understanding various geographical concepts, elements, processes. It helps to understanding the correlation between human and environment. One of the important objective of field visit to pay a visit to an office in order to understand the kind of work done there. Different types of information are collected during a field trip. For this purpose, questionnaire is prepared. After compiling the information, report is prepared. Here students, some plannings. Planning of field trip includes deciding the aim, place, duration, etc. How did we preparation for the field visit? A copy of questionnaire, a notebook, camera, pen, pencil, etc. You know student, preparation for field trip, we used a copy of questionnaire, a notebook, camera, pen, pencil are the essential part of kit. Prior permission should be obtained from the concerned office before fixing the date and time of the visit. Planning of a field trip include deciding the aim, place, duration. In this way, preparation also include deciding the place of field visit, maintaining essential materials like notebook, pen, pencil, camera, etc. Deciding the schedule for field visit, preparation, questionnaire, etc. Precaution, one should ensure that there is no harm to the environment in any way during field visit. It is the most important. Here student, one of the basic following question you can prepare your own questionnaire to visit following places. Example, Talati office or visit a small scale industry. Here a example, visit to a Talati office or visit to a small scale industry. Here questionnaire is visit to the election division's office at the taluka and district level. Here student, 27 questionnaires. For example, name of the office, what is the designation of the chief at this office, what are the different duties performed by this office. Here some 27 questions are here. Report writing. After you collect information from the office you visited, you have to write a report. You can use maps, tables and layouts, graphs, pictures and photographs for this same. Write a report as per the following points. Which are the points are useful for the report? Here some points. First point is introduction. Personal working in the office, nature of the work in the office, problems encountered and solution also. Acknowledgement and list of references. Present the report in the class either in the individually or in a group. Next point is the student of the particular school along with their teacher made a field visit to the Tehsildar's office. They prepared questionnaire for understanding the entire election process. After meeting the chief electoral officer, they collected this information. After compilation and the preparation of a report, they made use of it for a school election. Here student, figure 10.1. You see here figure 10.1, visit to the election office. Your project, prepare a plan for field trip of your class to a place of special interest to an office and prepare questionnaires. Figure 10.2 map of the electoral constituency. Then next figure 10.3 sample of electoral roll. Then figure 10.4 electronic voting machine. We see these are all the in the office election process. Here complete our lesson field trip.